So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to delete your account here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up, go to the top left and select the circle. For me, it says B. Go ahead and press on that. Once you're here under My Profile, go to the top right area, select on the green gear icon. Then once you're on this page, just scroll down all the way to the bottom and select delete account. Now make sure when you're deleting your account that you're sure that you want to delete it because, for example, if I were to go ahead and press delete right here, it'll then bring you to this screen where you can go ahead and type delete and then delete your account, and it actually permanently deletes the account this way. So make sure you're certain, but that's how you guys can delete your account here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.